With the release of Microsoft Dynamics 365 for Operations, Microsoft has delivered an elegant and practical user experience that effortlessly integrates with other Dynamics 365 and Office 365 products. Compared to previous versions of Microsoft Dynamics AX, the overall look and feel to the system has undergone a massive overhaul in an effort to improve the user experience. Let's go take a look at what's changed. When we first open the Dynamics 365 for Operations web client, the dashboard is the first page we see. Dashboards in Microsoft Dynamics 365 provide an overview of business data, viewable across the organization. This particular dashboard contains tiles showing the various workspaces accessible in the system. Content that was previously displayed in the Queues section on Role Center pages in Microsoft Dynamics AX 2012 are now available on the dashboard. You can return to the dashboard at any time by clicking Operations on the navigation bar at the top of the application frame. From the Dynamics 365 for Operations web client, we can access other Office 365 products by clicking the Office 365 button in the top left corner. Here on this Office 365 homepage here, we can access all of our Office 365 products. You can see some of these here, such as Mail, our SharePoint site, Project, and then if we want to get back to Dynamics 365, we can do so by clicking the tile for Dynamics 365. So now this page here is our home page for Dynamics 365. Not only can we access our operations portion of Dynamics 365, but we can also access sales, customer service, and there are all sorts of different applications out there that we can download as well. Now to get back to operations, we're going to click the tile for it. There are a couple different methods we can use to navigate around Dynamics 365 for operations. One method is the navigation pane. We can access that by clicking this button below the navigation bar. Now the navigation pane is broken into 4 different sections, the first section being Favorites. The Favorites section provides quick access to the lists or forms the users have explicitly marked as a favorite. The Recent section here will show any recent pages that you've accessed. Below we have Workspaces. Workspaces are activity-oriented pages that are assigned specifically to users. Now below that we have Modules. There are various different modules throughout the system, and inside of them are various forms and pages and such. So if we wanted to drill down and find specific pages within Accounts Payable, I can click Accounts Payable here, and it allows us to drill down through various sections. Now let's take a look at one of our workspaces. I'm going to choose the Cost Administration workspace. Now here we have our Cost Administration workspace. Workspaces are activity-oriented pages that are designed to increase a user's productivity by providing information that answers the targeted user's most pressing activity-related questions. It also allows the user the ability to initiate more frequent tasks. Access to the various workspaces depends on the roles that users have within the organization. Much of the list and business intelligence content from the old Role Center pages is shown on workspaces. So we can see our important information here on the left in our summary. And if we scroll to the right, we can see some Power BI graphs that we have here. And on the very right as well, we have some links to some various pages that would be important to our particular role within cost administration. One of the other ways we can navigate through the web client is through the navigation search. This is a convenient search mechanism for finding and navigating to forms and workspaces that appear in the navigation pane and on the dashboard. This search can be particularly useful when you're unsure where a form is located. So let's search for release products by category so we can try the search out. So I've clicked the search button at the top of the form, and we've got release products by category already typed in here, and we can see the results that came up for that. So let's choose this first option here. So after choosing the first option in our search, we now have the release products by category list page here. At the top of our form, we have the action pane. This includes tabs with various actions inside of them. Now let's say that there is an action we are looking for, but we are unsure what tab it was located under. We can use this action search button to find that action. So let's say we wanted to set up barcodes for our item. So I'm going to type in barcodes here. And if I click this first result here, it should allow us to create a barcode. So on this form here, it'll show any barcodes that are for our item, and we can also create any too. Now let's go back to our item. To do so, I'm going to click X here. So now we're back to our list page. And let's say we wanted to drill down into a particular category to find some more items. So I'm going to go down into Action Sports, BMX Biking, and then we'll take a look at BMX helmets. Let's see what items we have here. So this first item we have here is the Signature BMX Youth Helmet. Now if I click this item number here, it'll show me some more details for our product here. Now down below we have a list of different fast tabs. The first one we have open here, and it's expanded for us already, is the General Fast tab. This will give us any general information about our product. If I wanted to see purchasing information, I can click this Purchase Fast tab and see any information related to purchasing. Now, just like the last list page, we also have the action pane at the top here, and we can use this just like we would on the list page too. Thanks for watching our video. To learn more about our training, check us out at academy.rsmus.com. If you'd like to reach out to us directly, you can reach us at academy@rsmus.com. Thanks!